We PTFE Electronics Private Limited feel proud in introducing ourselves as a leading manufacturer and exporter of premium quality PTFE Teflon insulated electrical wires, hookup and equipment wires, PTFE insulated multicore electrical cable, PTFE insulated high temperature cables, PTFE insulated sleeves and PTFE Teflon tapes. Our consistent approach towards delivering superior quality in our product has enabled us to manufacture products that meet the requisite Indian standard JSS 51034 and international standards like MIL W16878 and BS 3G210. With experience gained over the years, we understand technical requirements of industry and are involved in the development of various new products that are more cost effective and efficient than the products that are popular in the market. To be a preferred supplier of quality products in the industry, 100% production is tested in laboratory specially designed for the purpose, and test report is prepared and kept for records. The silent features of our wire products includes heat resistant, chemical inertness, fire resistant, flame retardant, higher shelf life in controlled atmospheric conditions, halogen free insulation and shield. We offer a wide range of PTFE insulated hookup and equipment wires, multi-core cables, coaxial cables, high temperature cables up to 1500 degrees Celsius, sheeted cables, RTD cables, sleeves, tubes and tapes. Our product range includes following wires and cables in PTFE insulations: hookup and equipment wire, multi-core multi-pair cable, sheeted cable, thermocouple cable, high temperature cables, high voltage cables, corona resistant cables, RF coaxial cable, PTFE electrical sleeves, PTFE electrical tubes. Beside above mentioned popular categories of wires and cables, our experienced production team of engineers and technicians supported by our R&D labs help us to custom design the electrical wires and cables as per the specific requirement of our clients across the globe. We have a wide range of PTFE insulated wires and cables to cater to the wide range of our clients. We have a wide network of clients spread over all across India. Our satisfied domestic clients includes NTPC, Jindal, power plants, steel plants and many other public and private sector organizations.